So today I will create a day 5. Hi Edwin. So I will create good evening. So I will create a new package as day 5, and first let us take what we did the other day. So we wrote a, this was 2, right? Okay. So we wrote a program to read a number and then print the day of the week. So you had written that. So we'll create a new class. So day 5 program, public static void main. So in number or day of week equal to, let's take 5. So if day of week equal 1, then sits out Sunday. So that's 0 Sunday. So copy this, else. So put this 1, 0 Sunday, 1 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This was 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Correct? We wrote this the other day, right? Control A, Control Shift F. So I can right click and run as Java program. So 5 belongs to Thursday, so it is printing Thursday, correct?
Yes.
Do you remember? Okay. Now we would be modifying this program, as we cannot be writing else if again and again. So we would try to do it in a much different way. So I'll leave this program as it is. I'll copy this main content. Under day 5, I'll create one more program. I'll name it as switch case. So just watch this one. After I finish, you have to write and you have to show me. Okay. So you can create a package day 5. Inside day 5, you have to create a new class switch case, enable the main public static void main, finish. You will get this. You can copy the content from the previous program, and I will just run this once again to ensure that it is working fine without any compilation issue. So it is working. If I change to 1, it should give Sunday. Okay. So far clear, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we will be learning a new concept called as switch case. So what it would do is, instead of checking this if else, right, we would just switch this variable. So switch case, if you click on that, automatically the default will come. So what I did, I typed switch, SWITCH, and I hit on control space. I got this suggestion. I selected the switch case expression. So what we are going to do, we are going to tell to the program switch this, and if the value is 1, then print whatever was there in this if, right? I will cut and I will paste it here. Is it clear? So we are switching this variable. We are telling to the program, hey, look for this variable. Okay, and there are different cases following it. If the variable is having 1 as the value, then do this. Instead of if, we have to write different cases. That's all. So case 2, case 3. If the variable is having 5, if the variable is having 6 and 7. So from inside, if you can just cut it and you can paste it here. So the same if else, we are reading another way of doing it. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Is it clear? Instead of if else, we are writing case. So switch this variable. If the variable value is 1, then do this. If the variable value is 2, if the case is 2, then do this. If it is 3, do this. So now if you run, you should, so what is the value now? 1. So what is expected now?
Can Sunday should?
Yeah, Sunday should be printed. But if you notice here, something strange is happening. All values are printing, but what is this error? 32. Okay, I'll delete this default. So if you notice something strange has happened, all values got printed. If I go to, do you notice a pattern here? What's happening?
Yes, sir. It's coming from that number. It's 2 it's starting from Monday, and it's from 1 and starting from Sunday.
Great, perfect. That is what it is. So that is how switch works. So if you give a number, it would go and check here. Is it case 1? No, it won't go inside. If it is case 2, no. 3, no. 4, no. 5, no. After it finds a successful case, it would execute all other cases below that to prevent this from happening, because this is not the right way, correct? If it is 5, only this block should execute. This block between this brace, this should not execute, correct? That is the wrong behavior. So to prevent this from happening, you have to go break. After you execute, break out of the switch and come out. So if you do break in all these statements, you are telling to the compiler or the Java JVM that when you execute, if you find a successful case, after doing whatever is inside, don't go to the other case, because that is the Java default behavior. If you don't give a break, if it finds a successful case, it will go to the next case. All other cases, even though it is not matching, it would go. Now if you do this, only Thursday will be printed. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So now it's time for you to put into practice. So you can take 10 minutes time, because you have the program already. Like me, you create a new package, day 5, create a new program, switchcase.java, and inside that program, you already have this program, whatever you wrote on the other day. You copy it and you paste it here and then convert it. Is that clear? Okay. So you will take 10 minutes time. It's 8:10 now. 8:20 we'll regroup.